Okay, well, very good afternoon. Sunday afternoon where I am at the moment. A lot of people ask about where do you get the economic announcements from. If you go to forexfactory.com/calendar, it'll give you the whole week. It's a very popular page, and you've got the forecast, and the previous. So basically, if something comes in better than forecast, it'll be good for the currency. And generally speaking, if something comes in worse than forecast, so if this column is worse and they put them in red, then it'll be bad for the currency. Now, some of these things have more impact than others. The yellows are very low impact news announcements, and the orange sort of medium, and the red ones are the ones to really look at. The way I do it is I'm never in before a big news, a high impact news announcement, because you just don't know what the news is going to be. If you have a gut feeling about the news, then only put a small amount on, small allocation for the trade. Because sometimes, you might get a feeling from market sentiment, and certain details may have been released about it could be PPI, CPI, or whatever it is. So if you have an instinct that you believe in and you're going to place a trade, then, and sometimes I do, I would only put on a small amount of the account. So if it goes wrong, then it's not the end of the world. So this is where all the economic announcements come from. So it's just this one page here, and then I trade them accordingly, and I plan my week, and I trade my plan simply looking at the events for the week, and then I'll know roughly when I might need to look at the market. The other place to look for information is, of course, CNBC. Here we go. And the other one I look at is Bloomberg. To Bloomberg Asia, because sometimes you get a bit of an idea about how the trading day will start in Europe. And that's about it. But sometimes look at the BBC, not a lot. And I should just mention, for it's also very good, dailyfx.com. And this here. And also what they have is, you can go into this sentiment, and it will show you really how a lot of people are placing their positions. A lot of this is retail. It does give you an indication. So sometimes that's a little bit helpful. And what else is that? That's about it, really. Watch for geopolitical person, and I wouldn't discuss politics as such, but obviously we need to know a little bit about what governments are doing really with the central banks. So that is factored in. It's only one part of the mix there. So there we go. And I think I said in the last video actually that the Australian Bank is forecasting or giving forward guidance on Thursday. And if I did say that, my apologies, it's actually Friday. I think it's New Zealand on Thursday, but I'm not interested in trading that, only the Australian. And wherever you are in the world today, I hope that helps. Don't put too much money on an individual trade. That'll keep you safer. Keep your stops at a level which you're comfortable with. Don't keep them too tight, because that will be frustrating. If in doubt, stay out. That's so important. The best trade is sometimes no trade. So I'll say that again. If in doubt, stay out. Okay, from me, Nick, I wish you well, and wherever you are in the world today, be good to each other. I bid you a very good morning, afternoon, or evening. Thanks for listening.